Hello class, this is adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. I'm going to go straight into it and use regular fractions just as a way for us to compare this. So with this, we take a look at 6 and 8. We can't just add this. What you can do is we can multiply both of them together. So 6 times 8 is 48 plus 48. How does 6 become 8? Well, we multiplied by 8. So if I multiplied here, I'll get a pencil just so you can see the thought process behind this. The 6 was multiplied by 8, like so, which means I need to multiply the top number by 8 as well. So 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 8 is 40. Same deal with this. 8 to become 48, we multiply by 6. We need to multiply the top number by 6 as well. Alright, so 3 times 6 becomes 18. So the numbers, the denominator stays the same, so that's 48. 40 plus 18 is 58. Now we should always simplify. The number I can think of dividing both of these is dividing both of them by 2. You can check this with a calculator. 58 divided by 2 is 29. 48 divided by 2 is 24. And this is the simplest term that we can get to. So the same thing happens with this one here. Once again, 3 and 5 cannot add. We have to have the same denominator. So I'm just going to, easiest way to do it is just 3 times 5. So this denominator becomes 15, 3 times 5. The minus stays where it is. 5 times 3 is 15. Same deal. For 3 to become 15, we multiply by 5. So we multiply the top number by 5 as well. So 3 times 5, 15. 2 times 5 is 10, but notice how there's a t still attached to it, so 10t. 5 to become 15 is times 3 times 3. That becomes, well, that's 15. T times 3 is 3t. 10t minus 3t is 7t over 15. And that's already in simplest form. Moving right along. Whenever you have a whole number, think of it as a fraction over 1. Okay? And now we can use that, this property, the same way we did this. We're going to do 1 times 5 is 5. The minus sign stays in the middle. 5 times 1 is 5. This denominator is multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5. This becomes 2 times 5 is 10y. 5, or 5 to become 5, we multiply by 1, multiplied by 1. 4y times 1 is 4y. Now we can subtract it. 10y minus 4y is 6y over 5. That concludes the video. We'll see you in the next part of this, where I go through more examples of this. Alright, see you in the next one.